Okay, I'm going to show you how to set up a toggle back and forth between two different states with a, say, you can even do it with a button element. There is a specific image button element that if you upload the display state and then the hover state, you could use that element, but I'm going to show you how to set this up manually. So as you can see here, we have two different, this Learn More button. This is the display one. And then this is the hover state one. So we have these two different buttons. What I'm going to do is I'm going to shift and click both of them. And then as you can see here on the top left is a create group. So I'm going to create a group with those two elements. So now they're in the same group. And as you can see here, and we could just call this the CTA group, like that. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a hotspot. Just use a background element like this, put it into the group like that, and just make it 100%, 100%. And just center that in the group. There it is, and then we'll just make that transparent and just call this the CTA button. You know, you can call this the CTA, and it is the button. So now on that transparent one, and then you could give this a click action. We could give it a URL and take that to https bolden.com, for instance, and then we want to do a mouse in and out. So we'll do mouse in and out, and we'll toggle, and we'll show and hide the two different buttons, so we can actually show and hide, the different buttons. So before we do that, let me just make that transparent, like that. And what we want to do is we want to show the Learn More C2. We want to show the C2. So now what we'll do is we'll toggle, and we'll just go here to C2. Where's the C2? There it is. And then we close. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to then take this group like this with those elements in it, and I'm going to copy that group to the next couple sizes. I'm going to copy the parent, I'm going to copy the child elements, copy the settings. There we go. So now if I go to the next one, it's there. Go to the next one, it's there. And the next one. So I have a bunch of them. There we go. And that's great. So now I have those. I'm going to open the preview, save and open. And now when I hover over that, as you can see, it's turning on and off the other elements. So you actually, you can control that from that hotspot. And that's how you set up, a hover element, hover of turning on and off. Thank you very much.